Hello guys, welcome back to EasyEDA. So in today's video we will go through how to use oscilloscope in the program. So what we need to do is be in simulation mode. So in previous video I showed that how to do that. Now we are in the simulation mode, and as you can see I already have here the oscilloscope. So first of all, how to get it? You will go here to the left side to Common Library, and you can type in oscilloscope, or you will find it right here in Instruments Meters segment right over here. You also have some more of them, some multimeter, signal generator, watt meter, and logic analyzer. But for today's video, we will use just this oscilloscope. After that, you will want to have one circuit. I made just one simple circuit, nothing special. All right, so I set here the volt source settings to pulse meter just to get one pulse that we can see something here on oscilloscope. All right. Now you will connect this oscilloscope to your circuit, and with these probes you have just A and B options, and after that you will run the simulation. When the simulation is done, click on the oscilloscope, and here in the right side you will see view meter. Click on that and you will see one pop-up window, oscilloscope, and here you can set up your time base. As you already know how to use that, I think, so it's nothing new. It's ordinary oscilloscope, 2-channel oscilloscope. Right here you have also time cursors to see rise and when the diode is in stable position, how much rise time basically. And yeah, that's it, how to find oscilloscope and how to use it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.